Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered with this month with BitUnix, who are offering a $5,500 of bonuses for first time depositors on their platform. Some very cool trading fund bonuses and other perks, so make sure to sign up with them. We've also partnered with Funded Bits, who are giving a great discount on their funded challenges right now, 20%. Amazing trading platform and conditions, so make sure to get involved there as well. Also make sure to grab your sign up bonuses from our other exchange partnerships with BingX and Bitrue. They're offering a ton of free money, so be sure to sign up and get deposited with them as well. Bitrue specifically has some incredible bonuses right now for signing up and depositing. They're a great exchange, so make sure to go get involved on their platform depositing and trading. Alright then, taking a quick look at Verasity on our daily time frame. As we can see, in line with the rest of the market, continuing to drop to the downside, with Bitcoin dropping below 80k for the first time in a good while. Getting that retracement in the markets that I said was very likely to come. If you look at Bitcoin here, you can see coming down into that area that I said we were definitely going to come and test once I saw we were breaking down below this level here. You obviously got a nice almost 50% retrace of the recent move, which you tend to get in Bitcoin when we have these prolonged sideways periods, especially with these big bearish divergences. It was pretty obvious to me that even though we were going sideways in a range for a good while, eventually we were going to get some volatility. And you could see over those past 2 weeks before the last 4 or 5 days or so where we've been dropping, you could see we had this very low volatility, very low volume area. And I knew once this was happening that we were going to get a big drop to the downside. You can see here we are coming down for a nice little retrace. Very healthy for the markets, still very bullish overall. You can see, generally speaking, you do get these little impulses in the markets to the upside and then a retracement. We are getting a nice retracement in this local area here after making a new all-time high of 110k, 109.3k. We've come down since then back into this area where I was expecting us to bounce in and around, coming down for a retest at around that 70 to 80k level, maybe a retest of the previous all-time high before a continuation. Overall, still looking really bullish for Bitcoin, and as a result, because Bitcoin's dumping the market, we have seen Verasity, the focus of today's video, dropping to the downside as well. Although looking remarkably quite strong, I think this is just largely due to the fact that most people have already sold. There's not that many people in the markets left to be selling massive amounts. You can see quite clearly here for Verasity that we are in and around that bear market range low, where I don't think many people are enticed to sell, to be honest. You can see we're coming down and filling that big altcoin drop wick that we saw. If you look at the total crypto basket, we're actually outperforming it somewhat in terms of the recent drop over the past few what we're looking at days here. Obviously with that big consolidation now coming down to drop and fill that wick. But you can see Verasity, it's looking a little bit stronger. It hasn't actually come down and dropped below this wick or tested the full on low yet. I do think we are in an area where we're probably going to be seeing a nice bounce to the upside for the whole market pretty soon. Bitcoin finally getting that correction I was after, and it's very oversold right now for the first time since we were back here, really down at around 25-30k. Can you remember this just a few years ago? Incredible really to see how far Bitcoin has come since then. Obviously for Verasity though, right now just following the altcoin basket, we're waiting to see what will happen next, but I do think we are at a key level of support here. We've obviously filled that wick now as well, and with Bitcoin getting overextended, I think we could be looking at the drop being pretty much over the next few days. Probably consolidate down here for a while between 70 and 85k, somewhere in this area, before continuing up for a new all-time high for Bitcoin, in my opinion. If that's the case, we'll probably see Verasity coming back around to retest up towards this 0.5% level yet again. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another daily video. Make sure to go down below and sign up with BitUnix for a massive bonus on sign up. Get involved with our other exchange partnerships as well for free sign up bonuses, and like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.